Yes, good morning.
How are you doing, Vinod?
I am doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well. Thank you for asking. Started a series for those who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to take first step towards their learning. So my question is that, like, how did you start your journey? When did you think about learning English?
Mm, I don't have a word and I don't know how am I speaking English. Really, I don't know, but I wanted to say something. I have been learning English for 1 year and mm, if I have a time, I watch English movie, I watch English story. If I have a time, I write story and I listen song. So these are activity I am doing and nowadays uh, I am speaking English for 3 months.
Okay, that's great. So have you taken any session from any mentors or you are learning by yourself?
I am learning English myself.
Okay. So what was the first step? What was the first step you have taken for speaking? Like, how did you start speaking English?
So if I talk about I wanted to learn English in my childhood because I have completed uh, first to 12th in Hindi medium and I have completed graduation in Hindi medium. Okay, so you can say I have been learning this language in childhood and I don't have a teacher. If I talk about I am learning English myself, uh, like uh, I am learning. I I learn this language on YouTube. You can say.
Okay. So my
So we have completed uh, first to 12th and I also completed graduation. So we can uh, we can learn tense and grammar and verb in
yes,
school time. In school time.
yes,
So
definitely, Vinod. So, you are speaking, this is the best thing that sooner or later you will be able to speak more and you will be able to convey your message clearly because practice is must, practice is essential, and yeah, practice as much as you can. And nowadays, the best thing is that you have an environment, online environment. You can use that environment and you can practice a lot. That will be easy for you, that you are not going anywhere for the practicing. You are practicing at home with your comfort zone. So this is the best thing, and nice to talk to you, Vinod, and thank you for giving your valuable time.
okay. Thank you so much. Nice to talk.
Okay.